Now, let's get into the specifics, beginning with LegalZoom. LegalZoom has been around since 2001, making it a seasoned veteran in this field. Its primary strength often lies in its comprehensive, a la carte service offerings. If you know exactly what legal document or service you need, LegalZoom allows you to purchase it individually. For example, if you just need to form an LLC, you can do that without committing to a subscription. This can be very appealing for those with one-off legal needs. LegalZoom's business formation services are particularly popular. They offer various packages for LLC and corporation formation, including a free, plus state filing fees, option, though you'll find more features and faster processing in their paid tiers. Beyond formations, LegalZoom provides services for intellectual property protection like trademarks and copyrights, comprehensive estate planning documents such as wills and trusts, and a range of personal legal forms. They also offer a registered agent service, which is a crucial requirement for most businesses. One of LegalZoom's standout features is its peace of mind review, where they check your submitted documents for completeness and consistency before filing. They also offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, giving you some reassurance. When it comes to attorney access, LegalZoom has a network of independent attorneys you can consult with, often for an additional fee or as part of their higher tier plans. Their website is generally user-friendly, with a structured questionnaire approach to help you create documents. However, LegalZoom isn't without its critiques. Some users find their pricing structure, especially with numerous upsells and add-ons, can become a bit opaque and ultimately more expensive than initially anticipated. While they offer a free LLC formation, the cost quickly escalates if you want essential features like an operating agreement or an EIN. Customer support, while available, sometimes receives mixed reviews regarding response times. Transitioning to Rocket Lawyer, founded in 2008, this platform operates with a slightly different philosophy, heavily emphasizing a subscription-based model. While you can purchase individual documents or services, Rocket Lawyer truly shines if you opt for their Rocket Legal Plus membership. This membership is often cited as offering excellent value for those with ongoing or recurring legal needs. With a Rocket Legal Plus membership, which typically costs around $39.99 per month, or less if billed annually, you gain access to an impressive array of benefits. This includes unlimited legal documents from their extensive library, unlimited electronic signatures with RocketSign, and perhaps most importantly, free 30-minute consultations with on-call attorneys for new legal matters. You can also ask a lawyer questions online and even have them review your documents. This Ask a Lawyer feature is a significant draw, providing quick and accessible legal advice without scheduling a full consultation. For business owners, Rocket Lawyer's membership often includes discounts on business formation services, registered agent services, and even tax preparation. They also offer a unique document defense feature, where a lawyer will write a demand letter on your behalf if the other party isn't upholding their end of a contract you created on their platform. Rocket Lawyer prides itself on clarity and ease of use, aiming to make complex legal processes more understandable for the everyday user. Their website and document creation process are generally intuitive, guiding you through step-by-step. On the flip side, the subscription model might not be ideal for someone who only needs a single document or service and has no foreseeable future legal needs. While they offer a 7-day free trial, you need to provide credit card information, and continued access requires payment. Some users have also noted that while the initial document creation is straightforward, understanding the full scope of what's included in various plans can sometimes be a bit confusing. Now, let's pit them against each other in some key areas. Pricing. LegalZoom often appears cheaper upfront for individual services, particularly with its free LLC formation package, plus state fees. However, their upsells can add up. Rocket Lawyer's membership is a clear winner for ongoing needs, offering unlimited documents and attorney access for a flat monthly fee. If you anticipate needing more than 1 or 2 legal documents or advice over a year, Rocket Lawyer's subscription often provides better overall value. Document library and customization. Both platforms offer extensive libraries of legal documents for personal and business use. They both use a questionnaire-based system to help you customize documents to your specific needs. Rocket Lawyer's membership model, however, gives you unlimited access to this library, which can be a huge advantage. LegalZoom tends to charge per document if you're not on a membership plan. Attorney access and advice. This is where Rocket Lawyer often pulls ahead for many users. Their membership includes unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations and the ability to ask questions directly to lawyers online. LegalZoom also offers attorney consultations, but they are often an additional cost or only included in their most expensive packages. If direct, accessible legal advice is a priority, Rocket Lawyer is a strong contender. Ease of use. Both platforms are generally user-friendly with intuitive interfaces. LegalZoom's step-by-step process for specific services is quite clear. Rocket Lawyer's overall navigation and document creation also receive high marks for simplicity. It often comes down to personal preference, but neither is particularly difficult to use. Customer support. Both offer customer support via phone, email, and often chat. Reviews for both can be mixed, as is common with large online service providers. However, Rocket Lawyer's approach of integrating attorney questions directly into the service can sometimes alleviate the need for general customer support, as many queries can be directed to legal professionals. LegalZoom offers weekend support, which can be a plus. LLC formation services. LegalZoom offers a truly free, plus state fees, basic LLC formation, which is attractive. However, Rocket Lawyer also offers free LLC formation for new members to its subscription plan. If you are only forming an LLC and don't foresee other legal needs, LegalZoom's free tier might be tempting, but be wary of the upsells. If you're looking for ongoing legal support alongside your business formation, Rocket Lawyer's membership makes it a more comprehensive solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.